Good morning, students. Today we will read chapter 5 of SST, The Land of Ice and Snow, Greenland. It is the land of ice and snow. So, Greenland is the largest island in the world. It is a self-governing province of Denmark. As you can see in the map, this is a part of Denmark and it is a self-governing province of Denmark. Its capital is Nuuk. And earlier it was known as Gotthard. If we talk about the location of Greenland, the Arctic Circle passes through the southern region of Greenland. Because of this, Greenland comes in the frigid zone. As you can see here, Iceland, and it comes between the Atlantic and the Arctic Ocean. So this region is also called the tundra region as it comes under the frigid zone, and this island is also known as the tundra region. Almost 80% of Greenland is always covered with ice. Means throughout the year there is, if you turn towards right or if you turn towards left, what you observe, only ice and snow is there. And you know, sometimes what happens, sometimes huge pieces of ice break off. Break off means वो टूट जाती है, जो आइस वहां पर इतने टाइम से जमा होती रहती है throughout the year. It is covered with ice and snow. Sometimes huge pieces of ice break off and start to float on the sea. वो समुद्र पर, sea पर float करना start कर देते हैं. Look here, this is a picture. This is the piece of ice and it is floating on the sea, and this is called iceberg, and it is here written here also, big blocks of ice floating in water. These are known as the icebergs. And as I told you that Greenland is the largest island, and it comes under frigid zone, but there is also a warm part like southwestern. Look here it is written western coast. So southwestern coast of Greenland is the warm part, that is the warmest part of the country, and because it is the warmest part, most of the population live in this part, because like in other parts there is cold throughout the air, and cold means extremely cold. The temperature can be below 0 degrees Celsius. So people used to live in the warm part of this country, warm part of this island. And as I told you about the climate of Greenland is called the polar climate, that is below 0 degree Celsius. That is below 0 degree Celsius, and it is pretty cold there as we discussed. So nothing. And if we talk about vegetation, if the place is covered with snow and ice throughout the year, then how it is possible to grow crop there? So there is no forest, no crop, nothing can be grown there because the area is covered with ice. So no soil is there, so no plant, no vegetation is there. But when we talk about animals, when we talk about wildlife, so we can see polar bear, reindeer. These are the animals that we can see there. Now we will talk about the life of the people. Eskimos are the native people of Greenland. Native people means they are the original people of Greenland. And what is their main activity? As there is no crop can be grown there, so fishing and hunting is their main activity. They used to hunt animals. Fishing and hunting is the main activity of Eskimos there. People, they live here. And like we wear different type of clothes, men wear different clothes, women wear different clothes, children wear different clothes in India, but in Greenland they all wear one common dress, and they wear hood-lined jackets. As you can see here, this is hood-lined jacket with fur. So they used to wear hood-lined jackets with fur, are worn by men, women and children. Such jackets are called parka. So if someone asks what is parka, so parka is hood-lined jacket with fur. And Eskimos used to live in igloos. Igloos are built with ice blocks. And as I told you, they used to hunt animals. So what they use? They use a weapon that is called harpoon. That is called harpoon because they are skilled hunters. So they use harpoon, and this is the harpoon. A man is sitting on the boat. This boat is called kayak. It is pointed from both the ends. दोनों तरफ से ये pointed है, and only one man can sit on this, and there is harpoon in his hand. This harpoon is used for fishing and hunting animals. The Eskimos boat is called kayak. It is used for hunting sea animals. They are good swimmers. They also use sledges pulled by huskies to transport their big heavy hunt. Clear? They use huskies to transport their big heavy hunt. Who are huskies? Huskies are wolf-like dogs. But now their life is changing. The lifestyle of Eskimos is changing now. The lifestyle of Eskimos is changing now. Many of them have shifted to small towns. And earlier they used kayak for kayak for hunting, or they use huskies for transporting goods. Now Eskimos today use motorized sledges called skidoo for transport. What they use? Earlier they used huskies, now they use skidoo for transport. What is skidoo? Skidoo is a motorized sledge that is called skidoo. And here it is written Nuuk is the biggest town. And what is Nuuk? I told you Nuuk is the capital of Greenland. Now if we talk about economy means the lively, how they earn their earning, how they earn their livelihood, वो अपनी रोजी रोटी कैसे कमाते हैं. तो basically as you know, the fishing is the main activity. So fishing industries are the main source of income in Greenland. People used to earn money from fishing industry. They export fish to other countries also, and they get money from that. Now if we talk about transport, the major airport is Kangerlussuaq Airport in Greenland. Which airport? Kangerlussuaq Airport is the major airport in Greenland. Now if we talk about culture and sports, the culture of Greenland has much in common with Inuit. Inuit means Eskimos, and they also, what they do, they as the majority of people are descendant from Inuit, now they are shifting, as you have read here, they are shifted in villages. So they are descendant means the number of people who live as Eskimos is decreasing day by day. Now association football is the national sport of Greenland, but Greenland is not a member of Federation of International Football Association. So football is the national sport of Greenland. So this was all about the Greenland, the life of people. They are living like they are Eskimos are living there. They used to hunt animals, and fishing is their main activity. They use earlier they used harpoon, and now they are using rifles. What is the difference between earlier and modern life? Earlier they used harpoon for hunting, now they use rifles. Earlier they use huskies for transportation, now they are using skidoo. Now they are using skidoo for transportation. So this was the main difference. And thank you.